by about 2 times motorcycle volume sa kalye. And a lot of these guys are not yet too conscious of safety, lalo na sa gulong.
Kaya dito pumapasok ang CST tires.
Mm.
Ano po ba ang edge ng CST tires compared to the other brands?
Our friend, Miss, okay, Mr. JD Atanasio, our friend from Cebu, our product management director will answer that.
Well, I'll answer. Yeah. Thank you so much, Manano. Well, of course, what sets CSD apart from other brands is I'll give you some pointers, quick pointers. What usually we present to our dealers and our consumers are these 3 things. Number 1, thing that you need to know about CSD is we own our manufacturing plants. Anong ibig sabihin nito, or what is the benefit for the consumers? That means in every manufacturing facility we hold the standard of quality production and also the consistency of production. So many tire manufacturers out there, I've been in the industry for almost 2 decades now, and I was able to observe some of the brands na backyard lang ang gumagawa. They don't have that safety element in terms of production. They would just create tires and pangtayo ba, yun ang sinasabi nila in the trade. But CSD has this consistency in all of manufacturing facilities we have, whether it's located in Southeast Asia, East Asia, or even in South Asia, which is India and Indonesia. Indonesia is Southeast, but what I mean here is that we control all of those, what we wanted in our tires, from the acquisition of raw materials all the way to the production itself. That's one pointer. Second thing that you need to know about CSD is we are one of the few innovators in the trade, in the industry right now. In the automotive industry, where tires are included, there's heavy reverse engineering that is happening. I mean, a lot, okay? And what sets us apart is that there are only few manufacturers in the trade or in the industry that would introduce technologies or innovation that would actually benefit our consumers. For example, CSD is, I think, one of 4 manufacturers in the tire industry that creates rectangular bead configuration. So these are the wires that we put in our bead, and it's shaped as a rectangle. And the essence of that design is for our tires to be able to withstand heavy loading. Okay, we have as high as 80% beyond standard of heavy loading. It do that. Our tires can carry that, especially in the truck and bus segment. And when it comes to motorcycles and we have several releases in the market wherein it can withstand low air pressure, heavy loading as well. So may mga, dito kasi sa Pilipinas, for example, may mga riders tayo na 3 sila or 4. And this gives a lot of stress in the tires and would either rupture the bead or sidewall, or simply it will wear out faster because of that heavy stress. And CSD has that configuration of rectangular bead, so we can perform safely on those situations. Tapos kami rin po ang nakapag-introduce ng true double casing or triple casing sidewall or casing plies. And these are very essential in our off-roading tires. Pag halimbawa tayo ay gustong mag-air downs, I think air down is a technique that off-roaders use wherein they intentionally reduce the air pressure to have a much larger contact patch para sa traction and grip. And without the double and triple casing plies, tires would not be able to withstand. Okay, so again, we introduce innovation in the market. Now, last but not the least, the pointer, another point to be known about when it comes to CSD is that we can, I would say this is more of a very important trait of a tire manufacturer. We can consistently create, okay, tires from the biggest sizes. So we have the mining tires, the truck and bus tires, all the way to the motorcycle tires. The engineering behind that, that capability to create, okay, several sizes in different categories, it's very difficult. And again, if ever you're going to do research on your own, may mga gulong na present ngayon sa merkado who are actually sticking in one category. And what we brag about in this is that we can consistently create safe tires. You wanted it to be in commercial or we wanted it to be in bicycles or motorcycles. And we can, pass safety regulations ng each categories na yan. So in summary, we're just a manufacturer that most people don't know yet, but we do own our plants. We introduce innovation in the market, innovation in technology, and last, we can create tires from biggest all the way to the smallest, safe and quality tires. I hope I answered your question.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions? Please state your name and the title you're representing after.
Quickly, hi, good morning everyone, and congratulations to Kuya Kim, and hello to my colleagues here in media as well. My name is Lindy, and I would just like to ask, why did you choose Kuya Kim to do your Know Your Tire campaign, and for how long will you be doing this for CST? Thank you.
Thank you, Lindy, for that question. So, we chose Kuya Kim because tires are a technical product. And sad to say, technical products are hard to understand. Even though you are somehow of an automotive enthusiast. And our driving population here in the Philippines is a mix of those who are an automotive or a motorcycle enthusiast. And there's also those who are a bit of a daily driver. Then there's that type of market. They just want to ride or drive. So our usual concern at CST Tires is actually how to explain our tire technology. I think this is actually not just our concern, but most of our tire brands concern, yung ibang tire brand din. So sobrang technical ng gulong, kahit kukunti lang makakaalam. And with Kuya Kim on board with us, he's actually known, of course, to simplify technical things. That's why we partnered with him. For this campaign, we will be partnering with him for 1 year. Then let's see how we can take it further.
Thank you. Next question.
I'm Andino, Sevilla. With tires from different manufacturers flooding the market nowadays, yours is a quality product. May we know how much will be the price range of these tires that you will be introducing to the market?
Hello. For pricing, we will be at maybe around 10 to 20% much cheaper versus the quality for the other brands.
Okay, that's good. Are you introducing several, especially the SUVs, no? SUV tires, no? These are most popular nowadays for those in the off-roads. How many variants do you have?
We have several variants like We have mud terrain, all terrain, and highway terrain for SUV and 4x4.
Okay. Can you give us a how much will be that kind of for those tires?
For 265, the usual is 265, 65 R17. Our price is around 6,000, 5 to 6,000.
Really?
Correct, for CST.
Kasi pricey tires are more than 10,000 I would nowadays. No?
Yes.
That will be much cheaper. And a good one, and a good fit also. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
More questions?
Good morning, everyone. So my name is Easter from Orange Magazine. My question is for Kuya Kim. I'm curious about what are your responsibilities as brand ambassador of CTS Tires and why you say yes to CTS Tires? CST Tires.
My responsibility is to be able to explain how safe it is to use CST tires, the qualities of the product also. Be hands-on, I'm just kidding. My expertise kasi in media is to be able to explain since 2004, dapat alam nyo ba, trivia, palaging ganyan. So the whole campaign is about me explaining the different qualities of the tire in layman's terms na maintindihan ng ordinaryong tao. Ang prime concern ng tires, ng CST tires, is safety. And safety talaga ang number one natin. Ikakalat natin. Thank you.
Next question.
Good morning, Stephen Yu from C Magazine here. This is addressed directly to Kuya Kim. Kuya pa ba? Kasi mas matanda ako sa'yo eh.
Trivia po, si Stephen and I, we both competed in Super Body of the Philippines, 1989. 1989. We were both bodybuilders back then. Commercial model yan. Hanggang ngayon may billboard sa EDSA yan. Yeah. Tapos si Stephen, I did not win that contest. I was a finalist. But Stephen won teen Super Body. Kasi teen pa siya nun. Ay, lolo ka na ngayon.
Mamaya 3 o'clock yung press con ko. but thank you for that. Thank you.
Yeah, Stephen.
First and foremost, congratulations on the endorsement. I hope that there are more in store. I'm glad that you're being asked or you're being tasked specifically with trying to bridge the information gap between manufacturers and end users, because I feel that is sorely missing right now in education, particularly in the field of safety. Now, since you did mention our connection sa fitness industry, I did actually want to ask you, since nandito na tayo sa passenger tires, motorcycle tires, but what the public may not know is that you're also an avid cyclist. And as shown in the presentation earlier, CST manufactures 300,000 bicycle tires.
The biggest in the world.
Yeah, based in the world. So where do you see CST fitting in with your personal
Actually, Stephen,
two-wheel
good that you
transport?
asked that. Of all tires, the tire that is most sensitive to safety in terms of materials and technology are bicycle tires. Pagkapalpak yung, kasi halos walang tread yun eh. Pag mali ang compound na ginamit sa bisikleta, dudulas ka eh. The fact that the CST is very popular all over the world, making bicycle tires, makes them even safer. Making tires with a bigger contact patch, like an SUV tire or motorcycle tire. So it goes to show yung kagalingan ng kumpanya. In terms of what I do, I'm on two wheels every single day, Stephen.
I know.
Every single day. So it's important that I am on something that is safe and that I impart this safety message to motorists that I am with, especially two-wheel riders every single day. So for me, it's an advocacy. I'm thankful that they got me as endorser, but I'm also thankful that I'm part of this advocacy for safety because a lot of people are not conscious on road safety.
So angels have two wings, you have two wheels.
Yeah. Pwede.
Good luck, thank you, and good luck.
Hi, good morning. Cap Aguila from the Philippine Star and Business World. Kuya Kim, I might also be older than you, but I'll call you.
Pustahan tayo, I'm older than you. Cap.
Talaga?
Ah.
Mamaya na, huwag mo naman dito.
Ano tayo? What year were you born?
Mamaya na nga.
I'm probably at least 7 years older than you.
No, you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. Anyway, my question is to you, Superbad teen contestant, Kuya Kim.
Teen. Ako.
Ito, teen pa lang siya, pa na yung teen. Without perhaps preempting the series of videos you'll be putting out, no? I would assume that these videos were developed to answer a certain perhaps question or something that CST and you want to put out there. You mentioned earlier that prior to going on 2 wheels, you were also on 4 wheels. My question is, what are the things that you've seen in Filipinos, in the Filipino motorists and riders that you think need to be addressed? Again, without perhaps preempting what you put on video. Ano yung mga nakita mong, di ba, we always hear the term kamote. In terms of tires, for instance, are there misconceptions that you see that really need to be addressed for the riding public?
Tama. Thank you, Kap. First of all, trivia tungkol sa kamote. Alam niyo ba saan galing yung kamote? Kamote rider. Alam niyo yung history nun? Kamot ulo, kamote. Yun ang akala natin. Hindi. Actually, yung kamote, I used to hear that from my teachers back in the 70s. Go home and plant kamote. Di ba? Yung mga matatanda mga boomers sa atin, pagka medyo palpakas sa klase, Mr. Atienza, go home and plant kamote. That was told us many times. You know the history of that? That was during the American times. When Americans were teachers, and they would teach us Filipinos, pagka medyo rougher ka, mabagal ka pumikap, go home and plant kamote. That's actually putting down farmers. Ibig sabihin, magbukod ka na ng lupa. Hindi ka pwedeng edukado. Yun, doon ang galing yung kamote rider. Meaning, row 4 rider. Yun yan. And your question was, you know, what I see, lalo na sa motor, ang dami nagmamotor, pudpud na yung gulong. Labas na nga yung trend eh. Maybe because they can't afford, they would say, masyadong mahal, kaya ko na to, pagtsatsagaan ko na to. They have to invest in a good quality tire na tama pa yung trend. At kailan ba nauubos yung trend? Kailangan ba lumabas yung sinulit para palitan? May mga madaling basahin yan eh. May titignan ka lang dyan. Anong ibig sabihin ng mga numero sa gilid ng gulong? Ilan dapat ang PSI na lalagay mo sa gulong mo? Kadalasan, pinipitik-pitik lang eh. Matigas naman, ayos naman, pwede. Okay to. Magpipisilin. Medyo matigas ang gulong ko ngayon, dagdagan ko nga. Yung mga bagay na ganyan, when actually the tires are what connects us to the road. So we have to be very conscious of how it is, how safe it is, no? Kahit na yung PSI lang, tamang PSI, napaka-importante, hindi alam na marami. And each motorcycle has a different PSI need, has different pressure. Each car is different. Depende sa panahon. Pwede mo rin palitan kung mainit o malamig. Tukol doon yung campaign. Mga bagay na yan.
Any more questions?
Kuya Kim, kanina na-mention, by the way, ako nga pala si Ross Del Rosario from What's Up, Pilipinas.
What's up?
Yes, What's Up, Pilipinas. Yan.
Kay Bong Navarro yun, dati.
Yung What's Up, What's Up.
Wasak-wasak. Tony Gonzaga. Yung unang break ni Tony Gonzaga. Hindi siya nakilala eh.
Okay. Anyway, kanina na-mention mo kasi you're in charge of explaining in layman's terms sa mga Pilipino, di ba? Or even outside the country, ganun ba? So, does it mean na yung materials will be coming from CST Tires and you will be doing the script? Parang ganun po ba?
Christine and the rest, they did the script. But I collaborated to make it mine. To make it the Kuya Kim style. Kasi hindi pwede masyadong technical eh. Hindi maintindihan eh.
So that will be in Taglish, parang gano'n po?
Taglish, yes.
Ang nangyari sa amin,
In layman's term, ate,
Oo.
ang nangyari sa amin, sinabi namin kay Kuya Kim, Kuya Kim, ito yung gusto naming sabihin. So, with Kuya Kim being Kuya Kim, so he was able to translate it in a sense na mas maiintindihan ng tao. Kasi with us, as manufacturers, obvious naman, we're highly technical. With Kuya Kim's experience kasi in media, as well as being end user as well, he was able to communicate that. So, yun. So, of course, thank you, Kuya Kim, for that.
And thank you for the advanced second year extension of our
Meron agad, no? Magkakaroon po ba tayo ng dito, mga parang special guest na kasama na dual interview, gano'n, parang...
Well, part of the agreement is some live appearances as well. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next
Thank you.
question from Sir
Andy.
One more question for Mr. JB Atanasio. No? Mr. JB, can you hear me? Yeah. Good morning. You mentioned earlier that CST also do manufacture tires for name brands, ano? But that you cannot divulge it now, no? Is it when I buy a CST tire, does it also mean that I have the quality and the technical that goes behind the making of a good tire, and for a much cheaper price?
Okay, let me answer. First, I can disclose some brands, okay? So maybe, for example, since napag-usapan natin yung bike, okay? The Specialized bike, and some yung Continental tires na fitted in the bike tires ng mga several popular bicycles. CST makes the whole of it. Now, to answer your question, again, they trust us as a brand to create tires for them, okay, and even make some parts of their tires. That's the beauty of our manufacturing here. This means they trust our technology.